In today's video, I'm going to teach you Task Management Made Easy with ClickUp 2026 Guide. First, open your designated workspace in ClickUp. This is the home base where your teams, projects, and folders live. Make sure you're in the right area of your organization so the task you create lands exactly where your team expects it. Next, switch to the List view. List is perfect for structured, high-clarity work. You'll see tasks in rows, with columns for key details. It's clean, fast, and great for scannability, which makes it ideal for creating and organizing new items. Now, create a new task by selecting the Plus Task button. This adds a fresh task to the current list. You might see the button near the top or bottom of your list, depending on your layout, but it does the same thing. It opens a new task panel ready for details. Type your task name in the title field, and make it descriptive so there's no confusion. Think action plus outcome, like draft Q2 marketing outline, or fix login redirect on mobile. A clear title sets expectations and makes it easier to search and report on later. Open templates to speed things up and keep your tasks consistent. Templates are a huge time saver if you repeat similar work. Choose Use Template to open the library, then pick the one that best aligns with your goal. Whether that's a content request, a bug report, a meeting action, or another common workflow. The right template can pre-fill checklists, statuses, and useful structure so you don't miss anything. Move to custom fields to add the extra data that matters to your team, like effort level, budget, client, platform, or sprint. If there's a custom field set that matches your process, choose Use Template to apply it. This keeps your data uniform across tasks and makes reporting more meaningful. When you're happy with the setup, select Create Task. This saves your task to the list with the template and custom fields applied, so it's ready for your team to work on immediately. From here, adjust the core details. Set the due date to a realistic deadline. Update the priority to communicate urgency, and assign the task to the person who will be responsible for moving it forward. If timing is critical, consider a start and end date so the schedule is clear. For this example, I'll set the priority to normal, which is a good default when a task isn't urgent but still needs steady progress. And that's it. You've created a clear, consistent task in ClickUp, complete with templates and custom fields, and aligned it with the right people and timeline. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe so you don't stay behind. Until next time.